Hello everyone out there in the rental world. I'm at Villebois neighborhood, gorgeous neighborhood. One of our investors just bought this home at 28927 Southwest Geneva. So we're just going to take a tour right quick. Walking in the front door here. The house is absolutely beautiful. A lot of accents, great front porch. And the kitchen has the granite countertops, island, large dining room, gas fireplace, and these floors are just beautiful. Love the floors. There's a little side yard. Great little side yard with some bird houses and some lovely plants. And then you got this great concreted patio area, and it does have central air. We'll go back inside. Bathroom here on the main. And we do have a 2-car garage here. Staircase. We'll go into the master bedroom. Walk-in closet. The master bedroom's a really good size. Go to the master tub. Shower. Bedrooms here. Washer dryer. Bathroom. Another bedroom. This house has really got tons of character. Just love it. And that is a good conclusion. Down the stairs again.